Data transfer object in 60 seconds. So you have a client and a server. Sending the data between each other requires you to create a model class. For example, you want to send the information about the person and some other information about the storage. However, when a client requests the data from the server, instead of sending two different responses, you need to send only one. That's where DTO, or a data transfer object, comes into play. So a DTO is basically a simple model class that encapsulates other different objects into one. And there you go, you have your first data transfer object. The main difference between a regular object and a DTO is that DTO should not contain any logic except the one for encapsulation. Like, share and subscribe for more short and informative content.
I'm a legend when they lay me down to